Hello, friends, welcome back. So, today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic that is about 2021, the coming year. So, in this video, we are going to talk about the events which are going to happen in 2021 because in 2020 is a very tragic year, and we know due to COVID and pandemic, many things have been changed in 2020. So I thought I should make a video about 2021 because 2021 is also going to be a very uncertain year in the history. Um, we are also going to understand some very nuanced point about the astrology, which will take and very critical rule about the astrology, which will tell like which events are going to happen and how it will impact our life. So the first point we are in this video, we are going to talk about the 21 points about 2021. But before that, whenever the Saturn and Jupiter combination is there, so Saturn is a karaka for significator of our work, our culture, our karma bhumi. So and the Jupiter is a karaka for or and signification for significator for finance. So whenever work and finance will combine, this combination is not very good because these are two heavy planet, and apart from that, whenever both are combined or come into conjunction, there are some changes financially and uh, what we call it, we can say like financially and on the work culture too, so that that will make a base for next 20 years, 30 years. So whenever this combination is coming, some ups and downs will be seen financially. There is a lot of changes in the financial market. We can say recession will be there many a times if we see the history and analyze the data. So the same thing happened in 2020. The pandemic, the COVID is just a one reason behind this recession and pandemic. But every time, if you see the history, whenever the Saturn and Jupiter will combine, so that will make some that will create such situations. The that will come up with recession and all. So let's start with our today's topic. So Jai Shri Mahankali. So today we are going to talk about majorly 21 points about 2021. So and first I'll explain. I'll shortly given the 21 points, and after that I'll going to analyze and give the actual uh, actual cause for that. I'll explain astrologically why I'm saying this 21 points and why these events will going to happen in 2021. So as 2021 is very uncertain year, so the first key points I'll say is there are this is the year of major earthquakes and also the chances of natural calamities like tsunami or earthquake will be seen uh, till June. From January, we can say from 2020, November, after November, December to June 2021. That in that period there are major chances for earthquakes and natural calamities or tsunamis are there. So because there is a conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn in earthy sign, so I'll explain it in the later video. So this is the first point. The second point is this is a year of the financial crisis. You have to see the financial crisis again. So after pandemic, like recession is going on, but now the Jupiter is in it's in own sign, and it's Mool Trikon. So the things are going to be easy and going to be in its normal pace. Uh, till November, but after November, certain things will trigger in certain countries, specific countries, and due to that, we can say the recession will again occur because Jupiter going to be debilitated, and there is a combination of Saturn and Jupiter. So that is the second point. So financial crisis will be there. So be prepared for that. Be prepared in advance for the recession. I would not say like this is the probability. It might going to happen, but be prepared. Like if we know about 2020 pandemic, then we will be prepared in advance about money, finances, and all. So I thought like I should put this point also. It's not like making someone scary or something, but there is some astrological reason behind that. So I thought like giving this point is a good uh, mentioning this point is very important. So the third point is this is year of war. So and there might be what kind of war? There might be a trade war between many countries. So there are many laws has been changed in the working style or the working trading internationally. So there are chances that many countries will change their internal laws for external trade. So that is also possible. So uh, as we already seen, like many countries, like mainly India, have stopped many trade from China, uh, trade in China. So and also ban many applications which shares like critical information to China. So this will impact the trading relationship between the two countries. Also, other countries like America has also changed some certain laws for that. So the same thing we have been seeing in 2021 majorly between like January to June, July. So be prepared for that also. The fourth point I would say is the recession and the share market break down to its lowest. So there are a lot of chances that the share market will break down in this period, and the recession will going to come for sure. So be prepared for that in advance. Uh, the fifth point I would say about 2021 is it's a tragic year for United States of America after election. So in United States of America, like after election, there are a lot of changes we have been seen in United States of America. So because the election is in the now is in November, and after that uh, I would say like b- because of this combination, whenever the Saturn is coming to Capricorn, there are strikes or or lockdown in America. If you see the history of America for 250 years, whenever Saturn is coming to Capricorn or the major planets is in Capricorn, that will impact the uh, American society very much. If you see, like there are a lot of mm, I can say there are a lot of changes, there riots or strikes by lower class society people whenever Saturn is in Capricorn in America. So that is also that is also one point. And due to COVID, like United States has been facing it. This is the number one country which is facing the topmost COVID impact. So that will also impact like in I think the second phase of COVID will might come in 2021. So due to that, it will also impact the major configuration in United States of America. Apart from that apart from that, if we see the sixth point I would say is like change of the world power might take place due to change in the world configuration. What that means is there is a change of power for each and every country, world power of each and every country after like 100 or 150 years. So if we see 100 years back, like United Kingdom is on the top. He was ruling the world actually, and after that United States uh, uh, came into the power, and like due to its work culture and business, we can say they are they came into like they come up with like as a ruler. But now after 2021, there are a lot of chances that the world power has now again been changed, and there are a lot of chances that India will become the superpower for next in it will not going to happen in 2021 only, but due to the circumstances and the events going to happen in 2021, as a result of that, in coming years till 2000 in coming 2 3 4 years, India will come as a superpower and will take a responsibility of the superpower, and will lead many countries too. No, the next point, the seventh point, I would say, is the war due to land has been seen as a major planet in the war nakshatra like Uttarashada and Purvashada. So in January, in November, after November, major planets are transiting in Uttarashada or Purvashada nakshatra. So Uttarashada is a nakshatra of sun, and it's nakshatra ruled by we can say Uttarashada is a nakshatra of war. So many configuration of many wars has been seen in 2021. We already seen there are wars between India, like uh, like Cold War between India and China, and India like China, United States, and many other countries. So due to this, like I can say there are due to the major planets in the war nakshatra, there has been a war for land, for acquiring land, or taking their own uh, uh, own resources. So there are this is the year of war, I can say. So if we pass the 2021, then things will be very chilled in future. The eighth thing is job is very critical. So there are a lot of changes in the job environment, and people might lose jobs in 2021. So be prepared, like because due to recession, there are chances that you might lose your job or something. So be prepared for that. Or if you are going to change any company or something, so uh, be prepared in advance, like your paperwork and everything should be on, like because there are a lot of changes in the working style also, as we already seen in 2020, like Jupiter Saturn combination is there, and Saturn is impacting the fourth house of Kalpurusha only. So the work balance between the home and office has been changed, and work from home style has been introduced. It is already there, but due to COVID, it's majorly implemented by all the companies. So this kind of changes has been seen majorly in 2021 again. So be prepared for that, and be prepared in advance for your finances. The 9 point I would say is the rate of properties will drastically change in 2000 in this year. So this is the year where you can invest for future. Like I think the prices of property will fall drastically in 2021 due to that, because the Saturn and Jupiter is in earthy sign. So the configuration in the financial market has the property market has also been impacted very much, and Mars is also going to be in earthy sign. So due to that, there are a lot of configuration changes between for in the property market. So be prepared for that. And this is, I would say, this is the year where you have to think about investing for future. uh, it's not like, because the rate of property will drastically decrease. So if you want to invest for future for next 5 6 years or 2 3 years, then this is the right time. You can uh, we can say, in advance you can plan for that. If you are going to buy a property, or so that is the best time. Apart from that, the prices of crude oil will drastically change again. Though, so the prices of crude oil, how drastically will change? Because the Saturn and Jupiter combination, due to that, and Saturn is a karka of crude oil. All the products which will come underground, like we get it from the underground. So uh, it so what Saturn will do is, Saturn is a karka for lower class society people, significator of lower class society people. So it will change things in such a way that the lower class society people will get good status. And so if you see every change for lower class society people, Saturn is very strong that time. So due to that, we can say, like the crude oil prices, because the lower class society people, before 2020 the prices of crude oil is very high, but after pandemic it's gets low. So when will this effect will come in existence is after January, when Saturn come into its own sign. So it is going to change many things for the lower class society people. The next point I would say is planting a people tree. So this is kind of one remedy in between the 21 points. So if you are facing too many financial problem in 2021, or if you are facing any problem in 2020 due to pandemic, like many people are resting at home happily, but many people got impacted, their jobs go, they lost their jobs, and there is no financial security for that. For those people, planting a tree or worshipping a people tree is one of the best remedy for that, because people tree represent the Saturn and Jupiter both. So due to that, if you are going to plant a people tree, so you will get a remedy for both, you will get a blessing for both the planets like Saturn and Jupiter. So you can do this. It will also help in the plantation, will also help in our like plantation is also helping, like making your mercury also strong. So that is also the point. And but we are here going to talk about only Jupiter Saturn combination. Due to that, this is one of the best remedy. So another thing is the change of world power, and India will emerge as a like a superpower. I already talk about this, but change of world power will be sure, because due after we can say after the election in United States, so many things are going to be changed. And due to that, and there are so many changes will take place in India, and India will become the world power. And there are a lot of chances that many countries, uh, India will come as a United Nations, like the combination of certain groups. So India might become or can create some unions. So many other countries will come and join India, like many South Asian countries, or we can say like many countries like Bhutan, Burma, Myanmar, Sri Lanka will come up with India, and will make so many changes in that. So the ruler of that particular union will be India. So that is also the one of the major point in the history that you may see seen in 2021. Apart from that, India-China war may occur again, and chances of war win by India is very high. Because why this is because major planet Jupiter, Saturn. These planets are in Uttarashada Nakshatra, and in January, Sun is also in the Uttarashada Nakshatra, in its own nakshatra. And due to that, like Uttarashada is again the nakshatra of war, so there lot of chances of war between these countries, and it's all for good, not like because we already seen like India China war has been triggered in 2020 uh, uh, due to land boundaries and all. So uh, this this war will again going to happen in 2021, so be prepared for that. There might be a revolt against in USA, so or there might be a strike and close down in USA for few days. So why it is? Because I have seen the configuration for 250 years. Whenever Saturn will come or the major planet will come in Capricorn, then due in that particular time there are chances of war. And in this time Jupiter got debilitated, and Saturn in Capricorn, and Rahu is also going to aspect the Capricorn sign. So due to that, I might say like there is a revolt by lower class society people, or uh, because we already seen in nowadays in May or June there are some strikes or revolt due to Floyd case. He has been shot dead, and there are a lot of like discrimination revolts are going in USA. So this kind of things might going to happen again, because last time when Saturn is in Capricorn, there's revolt in uh, LA, uh, Los Angeles, and this is also for the some discrimination things has been seen. And before that, it's in I think 1992, and before that, there's revolt by the workers of the coal and all. So this all are the significators of Saturn, and Saturn. We have seen that there is close relation between Saturn and Jupiter, Saturn in Capricorn and United States, and war between war in United States. So be prepared for that. So this is one of the best thing. Like if you're going to analyze this way, the last 250 years or 300 years data, then you might get some. You might come to some conclusions which are very helpful for the society, so that they can be prepared for future. The next point I would say is many tragic events might happen, like deaths of many famous people and celebrities might have been seen. So the major planet, because Jupiter got debilitated, Saturn in a 8, due to that there are possibilities that chances of suicides, chances of like impact on celebrities, because many big celebrities might lose their power, because there is always whenever the Saturn and Jupiter will come to its own sign, like not in own sign, uh, come in conjunction, so or in the same house, that time change of power will be there. So many famous people might there is a status change in that. So many because Saturn in Capricorn signs, Saturn is a lawmaker, so Saturn will see last 30 years what you have already done, and due to that many things will going to change. You already seen like we are seeing the case of Sushant Singh, but that is just an example. It's just like Saturn and Jupiter combination is there, and Saturn is in Saturn, it's in the lawmaker, in the house of its Capricorn. That is the lawmaking house, and change of configuration and the world power has been seen. So, see, there are a lot of changes. People are coming up for Bollywood industry in India. This is just an example. So things like that will might happen in 2021 also. So China has been greatly impacted. Now again there has been like after this the power of China will reduce in 2021 for sure. And many celebrities, many political changes has been seen in 2021 again. The next point I would say is many laws will be in the favor of lower class society people. So there are many changes which has been taken by the government of the country for lower class society people. So be prepared for that. This is good for like, this is good year for farming. This is good year for like because there are a lot of things has been changed in the earth design. So there are many technologies inventions also has been seen related. So be prepared for that. And if we see a lot of changes in working style of people, we already talk about it, but this is one of the major point you have already seen in 2020, like work from home on computer industry. So Rahu will be in its Uchchasthana or the exalted state in 2021, and Saturn in own house. So both are the karkas of we can say IT industry. So that there might be like recession is there, but there is lot of changes like work from home or new technologies has been invented or new ways of working or new things has been invented into 2021, so that like people might get the benefit for next 30 years. So this is one of the good indication after 2021 for this sort of combination. uh, the 19 point I would say is underground food product price might increase like onion, groundnut. So if you are doing any farming related to that, that will be a major plus. You will this is just like onion, groundnuts, and any other things which will grow up underground or produce underground will be majorly impacted. So uh, with this we will also say about the gold. The prices of gold and silver has also been increased also might increase in 2021. This is all probability with the certain combination. I will explain the combination after giving this 21 points. So this is just a probability. This is not like if I'm saying this will definitely happen, but there are good chances that these things will going to happen in 2021. Real estate may broke down to its lowest, and good year, very good year for investment. If you want to invest for future in properties, then this is one of the good year. And the last and but not the least, Corona will again strike back. So many people are asking daily, like when this pandemic will going to over and all. So I would say like it will till last 2022. After 2022, we will get relieved because Jupiter will get debilitated one more time after 2021. So after going to from Capricorn to Aquarius, it will again come to the Capricorn. So till then we might get some ups and downs in this, so be prepared for that. Be safe with your family, don't go out only go for any specific work or things. Be spend time with your family is one of the best thing, because Saturn in Capricorn is aspecting your fourth house of home. That will also indicate if you should spend time with your family. So these are the 21 points for 2021. Now we will going to see the astrological significance behind this, why I'm saying this kind of points, or the so let's start. So first point I told is like about the earthquake. So I already made few videos on like how to see earthquake or any pandemic will going to happen. What is the significations of signs like earthy sign, airy sign, watery sign, and all. Based on that, if you see the major planet influencing the earthquake or is Jupiter and Saturn. They are the heaviest planet in our solar system. So combination of Jupiter Saturn in, if we see in this chart, combination of Jupiter and Saturn in Capricorn, that is known as the earthy sign. If we see Jupiter and Saturn is in earthy sign, and in 14 January during Sakranti, after Sakranti, 14 to 25th January, there are combination of five planets in Capricorn: Jupiter, Sun, Saturn, Mercury, and Moon. The five planets are in Capricorn, and apart from that, Mercury is also the second planet. Mercury is also ruling the Virgo sign, which is again the earthy sign. Rahu is sitting in the earthy sign, and it from its I think from its ninth aspect, if you see, it will again see the earthy sign. So Rahu, Jupiter, Sun, Mercury, Saturn, all these planets are going to be in earthy sign. So there is lot of chances that earthquake will going to happen, and in major part, there are possibilities of earthquake in India. There are possibilities of earthquake in United States of America. These two countries will going to impact majorly, but I'll not pinpoint any specific city because the video will go very long, and I don't want to like this is not about the earthquake and all. This is I'm just going to explain like why this is going to happen. So, and from all these planets are going to influence the fourth house of watery sign, and Mars in earthy sign also seeing the watery sign. So six planets are influencing the earthy sign and the watery sign. That is why there might be possibility that earthquake will going to happen in areas near oceans. So there might be possibility of like tsunami and earthquake combined. So this is the first point which I have mentioned. The second point is like financial crisis. So if you see the Jupiter and Saturn, the heaviest planet in Kalapurusha Kundli or the Mahankala Kundli, the 10th house is a house of our work, house of our what we say, house of our income, sorry, work, culture, karma, and whatever we do. So Jupiter got debilitated. Jupiter is a karka for finance, so the financial stability will be impacted a lot. And how the financial stability will impact it? So financial crisis will be there. And if we see the Jupiter and many planets is in Uttarashada Nakshatra. So in Kalpurusha only, if we see the world map or the like, let's example, the Earth is in Kalpurusha only. Everything is in under the Mahankala. So the fifth house of Kalpurusha is the like from fifth house we see trading. From fifth house we see like trading and financial market, share market, everything is seen from the fifth house. So fifth house is ruled by Sun, and the major planets, Jupiter got debilitated in Uttarashada Nakshatra, ruled by Sun. Sun is also in the Uttarashada Nakshatra. moon Mercury is also going to be in Uttarashada Nakshatra that time. So after November, the financial crisis will going to come, and it will there is a breakdown in share market for sure, for sure. If we see this combination, and if we see the impact of Rahu is going to impact the sixth house, the eighth house, and the 10th house. So there is a lot of energy of the sixth and the eighth house that time. So Rahu will going to see the sixth house where it feels like it's in our own house. So it will make a strong. So the Rahu is strong for those countries. They will going to show their impact like on a global level. So that is one of the significations. Also Ketu is in the sign of Scorpio, so there are many specific spy things has been seen in on that time. So apart from that, if we see, Rahu is in the house of finances, so financial market stability will change a lot. So first, and Jupiter from the finance of Karaka from the fifth aspect is going to see the second house of finance with Rahu already sitting there. So that will going to change many things. There are other combinations also, like when I am just telling up these things on Jupiter and Saturn and Rahu, Ketu, which are the slowest planet and will whose impacts are long lasting. Apart from that, because Sun, Mercury, and other planets will change very slowly, but uh, this combination, whenever the five planets or six planet will be there, so and due to this, see the second one. So Jupiter, Saturn in earthy sign, expecting the watery sign. Saturn is also going to expect the watery sign. Rahu is in the earthy sign. So due to that, watery and Saturn is impacting the two watery sign, and Mars is also expecting the watery sign. Jupiter and many major planets in the earthy sign. Due to that, like how tsunami or earthquake will going to come. Apart from that, if we see, the major configuration change is going to happen in United States and India will come as a superpower, and uh, we will say like uh, India is going to be a superpower in near future. And there are a lot of changes, like if some rules or laws or changes in United States, people are moving, major international people are moving to Canada will also come into place here. Apart from that, uh, what we can take, recession. So uh, for recession, we already know, like uh, so there is a certain combination whenever Saturn and Jupiter combine every 15-16 years. So that time, every 16-17 years, if you see the major change in either by the major recession time, then Saturn Jupiter combination, whenever that combination is there, the recession will be there for sure, because Saturn is a karka for your work and the Jupiter is karka for your finance. So there are a lot of change in your work style and the financial status. Due to that, those changes are long lasting for next 15. They are making a base for next 15, 16, or 30 years. So due to that, whenever the combination is there, the recession is already always there. You can analyze, like you can see the charts for past 250 years for recession. I have already analyzed that. So on the basis of that, I would say, like because this time Jupiter got debilitated, and Nij Bhang Raj Yoga also has been seen in that time. So that is one major point in that. So and many planets in Uttarashada Nakshatra. So I would say, like it's not good for United States of America. After election, lot of things has been changed. It's good for India, but there might be a lot of war situations. And there is another point is that like many countries will make a union and India will become the head of that, and China will lose their power. So this is all about like 2021, the year, the very tragic year in the history of 21st century. I would say the changes will long last for like impact last coming 30 years. So be prepared for that and be safe with your family. Take precautions whatever government is going to make to save you people from pandemic like corona. So there are chances that like some some virus may come. It's not, my there might be a chance like a strike back of corona will be there or some other pandemic will be there. So be prepared for that in advance. Be prepared for recession. Be prepared yeah, for investment. This is very good time. So I just made this video not to scare you guys. Like if we prepared in advance, then we can manage so many things uh, uh, before getting into panic. So uh, this is all about from my side on 2020, the major 21 points for 2021. Please, if you like the video, please share and subscribe with your share and subscribe, and please share with your family and friends so that they will also get benefited and will know in advance uh, the signification of 2021 and the major events that are going to happen in 2021. So please share and subscribe, and please comment in the comment box if you like, if you need to know in advance, or I already shared some my Instagram link or WhatsApp group link uh, in description. So if you have any particular question or you are facing any problem, you can contact me. For that I will really happy to help you guys. Thank you. Be safe.